What's up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing some JDM parts on the S2000. Alright, so let's see what's inside. This was packaged by my friend, so not like one of those broker companies, so not bad. Hopefully nothing is broken. Go ahead and open that up. Woo. There you go. Some JDM S2000 headlights. Sheesh. Alright, well, after some process, there we go. Alright, so here's what we got. JDM AP1 headlights. So there are the chrome versions. I think most people know that, but this is the black version, and it has the clear side markers, which I think looks a lot better, especially on a Silverstone car. I know they like these in Japan, which is funny. Everyone wants what they can't have, right? But regardless of the clear corner or whatever, mine were pretty cooked, so needed to be changed anyway. And then that also gives me the opportunity to either sell these off, or I might fix this, or I might even bring it with me to Japan and sell it off there. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and swap these out and then see how it looks. Okay, to remove the headlight, there are a couple bolts. So there's this one. You remove the bracket that's here. There's these two, and then this one. And then there's one hidden one right there, which is pretty hidden. Okay, so I got the bumper off and stuff, and that was 2 days ago now. What I thought was going to be a straightforward headlight swap, of course, there's something you gotta do that wasn't really mentioned on other installs, but when you're swapping to real JDM headlights, I guess the corner light is not the same in the USDM and JDM. So the USDM socket is smaller than this, so if you try to transfer it over, it like won't lock. So what you have to do is purchase this. It's the equivalent of a JDM Integra corner light. I'm gonna put the part number in the video. That's not the part number. It's like on the bag here. It's also the Acura RDX, I found out. So you can get a 2019 Acura RDX signal light, and this is what it looks like. It's just literally like the same thing but bigger. And then when you get that, the bulb is different. It's not the same socket, like this bulb and this bulb. So you have to get an RDX 7507. So not a straightforward swap. Obviously, that's pretty easy. You just buy the adapter or different socket and throw it in. But yeah. Alright, so finally got these headlights on. Go ahead and check it out. Looks like the hazards work. And both high beams. Cool. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Overall, pretty simple. Just make sure you buy the adapters first. But yeah, I think it looks way better. I mean, obviously subjective, but especially on a silver car, I really wanted the monochrome look, you know. The orange was really sticking out. I mean, my Evo also has clear corners, but yeah, overall, very happy with how it turned out. And it's been a long time coming. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.